Hey everyone. Well, today we are not going to be doing a video on cooking. Please don't leave. Please stay here, give me a chance. But rather today we're going to be talking about the future of our channel, the name change, and what all is going to be the content of this channel. Let me just say this real quick before you go. If this is not for you, that's fine. Go ahead and leave as soon as I say this. But first, let me say this. If you're obese, I'm gonna come right out and say it. I know people, there's this political correctness thing, but if you're fat and you know it, I know for me I am, okay? So I'm not preaching to just you, I'm preaching to me as well. And you need to make a difference. If you know deep down inside, you need to make that difference. Stay tuned and listen to this, please. I plead you, I beg with you, please listen. We are going to make a change and we're going to do it together. Hang in there. As y'all know, we used to be called RNRV Chronicles. We're going to change the name, and we have already changed the name to Keto Life Connect. And the reason why is Katie and I are going to be doing a lot of keto and also carnivore dieting. And we have to do this. I'm out right now riding my bike, and guys, I need to start exercising a lot more. Actually, you know, I have tried to make this video so many times. I've tried so many different ways, and I just decided I'm going to do it this way because, well, changes need to be made. Guys, if you find yourself laying in bed at night like I have, ashamed of myself, embarrassed because I'm overweight, I'm obese, and I'd be mad at myself because I just know that I need to make that change. I need to make that difference. And throughout the day, I didn't. Guys, we just making bad choices. Can I just talk? Can I just share? Guys, I'm not doing well. I should weigh about 185 pounds. I weigh 260 pounds. And I need to make a change. 61 years old. There's so much more activity. There's so much more things I want to do. But guys, it's so hard. I fail. I've started so many different exercise programs and different things to do in order to try to lose the weight. And I failed at everything. Guys, what we want to do is be able to help you guys. If you're in the same predicament that we're in, we're going to be doing videos on keto meals, carnivore meals. We're going to low carb meals, but we're also going to be working out. We're going to be riding bikes. We're going to be working in the gym a little bit. I cannot do free weights. I just can't, especially right now with my back, but I can do other things. Guys, if you don't have a gym and you're not access to a gym, I'm going to tell you something. Get out and go for a walk. Start somewhere. You may say, you know, well, this isn't enough. It's not going to change anything. Well, it's a heck of a lot more than what you're doing right now, sitting there doing nothing. It's not going to happen by accident, guys. You're not just going to wake up some morning and all of a sudden you're going to be young again. All of a sudden you're going to be healthy again. All of a sudden you're going to be thin again. It's not going to happen by accident. You have to do it on purpose. A purpose-driven, healthy life. That's what we're going to start doing on this channel. So if you lay in bed at night and you're upset with yourself because you didn't do the right thing that day to make a better life for yourself, a healthier life for yourself, we want you to come along with us. But we want you guys to be a part of this channel. We want to hear from you. So there's going to be days that we're going to be doing interviews with you guys. We will get things set up. We want to hear about your successes. We also want to hear about your failures. But with that, we want to hear how those failures have motivated you to keep moving forward so that you can turn a failure into a success. Guys, we're here all to help each other. I'm no better than you. You're no better than me. We're here to achieve a goal. So guys, if you're connecting with this and you feel and you want to be a part of this, I ask you to go down into the comments and just simply type, I'm in. That's it. We're here to help each other become successful in doing something to make a change. This channel is going to grow. This channel is going to morph into a lot of great things. So if you can relate to this, down in the comments, type I'm in. Let's do this together, guys. Let's help support and encourage each other. And like I said earlier, this channel's for you. So tell us what you want to see. Tell us what you want to hear. And we're just going to move forward and hopefully you guys will come along. Guys, listen, please. I encourage you. Go to a doctor and make sure that you can do what you can do, and let's just do that. We're going to start slow, guys. We're not going to go out there and try to become bodybuilders. We just want to start doing things slowly and getting healthy. We're going to have you write down your goals. But guys, let's do this. Let's start today. God bless everybody. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. And remember always, you're loved. Jesus does love you. Bye for now.